couldn't get a better spot than this right here.
Dude, I fucking love this spot, man. It's the best spot ever, dude.
Are you filming a YouTube video, Roger?
Yeah, man. I'm not even having to try either, man. I'm just doing this effortlessly without having to really look at anything either. I'm in the perfect spot while I'm drinking my beer.
Came right in time.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Yeah, see, it's exactly where I told you it would be there.
By the time they come, it will pretty much done.
Ooh, nice, dude.
Hey.
Hey, how you doing?
For you guys. I can't believe how good of a
I mean, you
location.
got a front row seat right here.
Yeah,
This is the best seat.
unbelievable. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah.
He's like,
But just nowhere. I got one or two left.
I just got lost my lad the 2 weeks after my wife passed away.
Ooh, I like the green.
That green was nice.
That purple there too, that burst was good too, that boom. Well, that's not his burst
That's
right
a
there.
pretty burst right there.
Oh yeah, I like that one there. That's a good one.
No, the green going to pink.
I love that parcel.
See what I'm saying out there, boy?
Yeah, I think this is a perfect location.
Yeah.
Oh, I love
Ooh, nice. I like that one. Ooh. Nice. Ooh. Nice. Ooh.
I mean, unless you got there super
Oh yeah. Ooh.
100%. have a jello shot.
Oh, you all look like the most smiley faces
I
ever.
know they're cute.
Ooh, I like that. Ooh, yeah. Nice big boom. Oh, yeah. Oh, thank you.
He works at Dunkin', so he's not that distraught. Man.
Trust me, if any worky of mine could dial 911, he'd do it.
I've been seeing on Facebook all week, like, reasons to call 911. Your neighbor shooting off fireworks, don't do it. Your neighbor blowing up their house, yes, call them.
Don't even bother me.
Ooh, nice. I love that one, dude. Dude, every time they do the Christmas color ones, they always turn out sexy, dude. I ain't anything with green and gold. Thanks for the Jill shot, buddy.
We've been doing there at Target for years now.
Oh, yeah. Ooh. That's some good shit. They did it balling out.
Get out of here. Put my chair up and get back in the house.
Well, I like that one. That was cool. Oh, that's a cool one.
And the neighbors did all the
Filming
comments.
this whole show.
Yeah, man.
But that's like
Well, as much as I can, at least. I did like a few minutes and I actually hit the button again. So I got like a snippet, and then I'm doing this whole other one, so this is the rest of it. So easy to do too, because I just chill here and then I can drink my beer. Little cheapo Walmart phone, dude.
Got all that college.
Oh yeah.
it's going to be on August the 2nd. He texted Clayton, clear the date. We have to clear the date. We
There you
all
go.
are supposed to go to a little party after. So it's going to be over the top. Let's just say the whole thing.
Good.
I know it will.
That is good. Happy for y'all.
Yeah, I like the ones where it looks like it's gonna be small and it just like grows.
Oh yeah.
Like that one. That one.
Ooh, I love that one, man. That's my
That was a
favorite.
good one.
Oh yeah.
I do love the Jack Lewis too.
That was a good one.
Oh, I like that one too. Oh yeah. Ooh.
Rapid fire there.
Oh, the rapid one. Yeah.
So did the Braves play today, Roger?
They might have. I don't know. I don't keep up with baseball really. I'll go to just drink a beer with my buddy. That's about it.
Yeah.
I'm just glad you didn't have to work this year.
No. Perfect timing. They like the gold to the purple.
The salute was the way you saw the bang way before the. I like the Lewis one where like it just bursts out and then you see the color.
I love those.
That's pretty cool.
Or where they sparkle like that as they trail off.
Yeah. That's what I'm talking about.
Not the end.
At first it's just gold and then you see the colors.
How's that ride still running? Still running good?
Oh, that's awesome. I love it, dude.
I'm outnumbered now though, Greg.
What?
I'm outnumbered now though.
Really?
Yeah, they two Mazdas, you know?
Ford's the only one of the bunch.
Well, I guess hers is still kind of a Ford because every part I've changed on it, it says FOMO code when I take it off. But yeah, Mazda's just Mazda now.
Oh yeah.
Hers is back when they were owned.
By the third. You should get me on it, man.
Yeah, I love the just classic logo like that.
Oh, I love the purple too. I wanted the girl gold and then purple was cool too. I like that one. Oh yeah.
At least it's not raining this year too.
Dude, that's what I'm saying. Most of our 4th of Julys, I don't remember a 4th of July we've had living here where it hasn't rained. Like most of the time we get
Today has
soaked
been
in rain.
magnificent.
We've been lucky.
Today
Blessed.
is the perfect 4th of July.
It's perfect 4th of July because most of the time we'd get rained on and stuff.
Me and my lady friends took in the parade in Marietta. Oh yeah, she went with me to a family barbecue. Dropped her off, oh God. Fireworks in the driveway.
Oh yeah.
Now we talk.
Oh yeah, dude. Fuck yeah. America.
There's a big old cloud of smoke in there, I know that.